February 28th, I bought unit 114 here for $175,000. And my goal was within 1 year to buy another property. And I stuck true to the goal. And we just bought this one right here.
This man is finally filming. Back at it.
No, I don't got the white jeans on yet because we're gonna go inside, hit a lift before we film the Ducati video. But as you saw back there, it's already done and we're gonna be filming it today. I'm stoked about that. I haven't uploaded in a month. I actually haven't filmed in 2 months for a good reason. So pretty much all December, like I kept on getting sick. Like I'd be like healthy, then I got sick again. Like, you know, out of like 30 days, I was probably sick 22 of them. And then after that, I've been liquidating. Like I sold a bunch of stuff lately and I'm in escrow on another property right now. I don't take possession of that until March 15th. So that's been taking up a lot of my time dealing with that. White jeans are right here. We'll put these puppies on right after the pump. Week.
It's been like over a week since we did it.
Huh?
It's been like over a week since we did that. More than that.
Yeah, bro.
It's a little tighter on you.
It's funny that the kid that weighs 175 pounds at 6'2"
78.
is calling me fat.
178 right now.
Got the all white on. This shirt's a little tighter than I like it.
I can't see clearly anymore. I have no fear how this will end. No, nothing scares me anymore. If we never see tomorrow, babe. If we never make it through today. If we never see tomorrow, babe. I know that I lived how I wanted to. If we never see tomorrow, babe. If we never make it through today. If we never see tomorrow, babe. I know that I lived how I wanted to. If we never see tomorrow.
You really trust that predator? Yo! Hey, what is it you catch them wiping out right now?
Really
Dude, that's nuts how low he's flying.
Yeah.
You know they're on like a little Briggs, like 15 horsepower engine.
A little Predator from Harbor Freight.
Oh, yeah. Alright, let's do these rollers, boy.
That was so with the white jeans.
Yeah, oh no, this thing picks up
here to
really
there.
easy. Huh?
Wheelies from here to there.
So the Ducati is now done. It's in this awesome candy red. It took a long time to get this color because it was gonna be chrome red, but the chrome colors have a little bit of like problems with fading because you can't put like a UV clear on it and stuff. So we ended up going with this candy red. I wanted to keep it red because it is a Ducati. I finished up the whole tail. We don't have a rear seat on it, so I removed the rear pegs on it. So it looks really slick here in the rear. We got the LED works. Rear light, which looks sick. Yeah, guys, this is like my first time having a bike like this. It's pretty sweet. I was waiting on the mirrors for this bike right here because those are still in the mail. They won't come in until like February 15th. And I've been waiting for them for so long. I was like, we might as well knock out this video. Thing's really torquey. Like right there, you saw this first time riding it. In first gear, it like pulled the front tire up just by giving it a little bit of throttle. Jelly brought his 2007 R1 that's over there, and I'll have you talk about it. All right, tell us about this. Where did you get that from?
My friend that with the YouTube channel, Built from the Bottom, he gave me that. Plus, he gave me this. So it's pretty much splatted out.
This stuff actually came off that 06 R1 that I had, and then he made that tail fit, and then that's the same piece right there for the front wheel cover.
So I bought this wrecked. This whole side was just demolished. And that was pretty much it. It was just the plastic. So maybe the headlight was a little cracked. Yeah, the swing arm was chunk taken out of it. And nothing else was wrong with it. It was just plastics and swing arm.
So if you guys don't know, February 28th, I bought unit 114 here for $175,000. And my goal was within 1 year to buy another property. And I stuck true to the goal. And we just bought this one right here, 116. I'm gonna take possession of that property on March 15th. And the one right here just sold. So 118 sold January 11th for $221,000. So, you know, people are saying they're worth about $250 a piece right now. So technically, your boy has like $500,000 in real estate right now, if you know. We're not gonna be like the normal YouTube channel where they put all the money into stuff that just doesn't have a return on investment. Because the whole key to this thing is to be able to continue to make videos, even if you're not making, you know, say money off the videos, because you have other things that are making, you know, money. And the whole thing of showing is just showing the process of like building actual wealth. And I think it's relatable by me being 23, so other people can like see what I'm actually doing, because I feel like it's really hard to relate when these guys are like 60 years old or like 45 and they're showing like how successful they were, because you never really saw them when they had nothing and like what they were actually doing like day to day. But I just wanted to tell you guys that before we end the video, and I hope you guys really like this Ducati video. I think the bike came out sweet, and the GSX-R 750 video is going to be just in one, and then I got parts in for the BMW S1000RR, and I'll probably do that in parts. So I'll catch y'all later. Yeah, Jelly, say peace out.